Hello and welcome to another video of Scent Explorer. I'm Madagascan and today we are going to explore a scent by Clive Christian, and this is called Original Collection No.1 Woody, Oriental Woody. So this is kind of, most of these perfumes, they are Western kind of woody perfumes. If you look at Eastern or Middle Eastern woody perfumes, we have a totally different definition of woody or oriental woody kind of perfumes. So let's spray this out and see what it does to my nose. Ooh, I didn't like the start. It is kind of like directly into my head. Yes, it is kind of like fresh woody citrus, light citrus. You are not going to detect much of the citrus, but yes, there is citrus in the start with some refreshing flower. I'm not sure what floral is this, but it is giving me headache. It might be some white flower or maybe some yellow. I think it might have jasmine too, or motia or something like that. White flower, it is a good flower. I don't hate it totally. It is kind of like refreshing, airy, floral perfume. I'm not getting much of the spice over here, but it has a lot of florals that is giving me some headache right now. It is a bit more powerful than Clive Christian X version, which is woody spicy. This one is oriental woody. Yes, it definitely has jasmine or motia kind of note that is really powerful over here. White florals. Now white florals are very at the top. I would recommend it for women. It has white florals. It has little citrus and woodiness or freshness in the start. This is definitely a woman's perfume. I would recommend it for mature women more. For me, I would not wear it on myself, or I would not recommend it for men. It is mostly motia or jasmine sambac or something like that. I don't like it much, okay? So it is white floral, light citrus, maybe woody in the start, refreshing kind of perfume in the start. Now it is all white florals in the mid notes. Yes, it is very high pitched white florals. I would recommend it for women. I don't want to sniff it more because I am going to get a headache. So this is my review about Clive Christian No.1 Oriental Woody. I don't find it much of on the oriental side or the woody side. It is more on the floral side to me. Yes, it is maybe have some spices, but it is mostly white florals. So this is my review about Clive Christian Oriental Woody. Okay, so right now I have tested these two perfumes. I am not really impressed by Clive Christian or its perfumes. I hope to see you soon in another video. If you have used Clive Christian, or you might would advise me which one is better or which one I should get or test next, you can always tell me in the comment section below. I hope to see you soon in another video with another scent. Till then, take care, bye bye, and assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.